So today we had some very sad news. We were in lockdown, as everyone else is, and in our garden we found a dead female Sparrow Hawk. We've been watching her activity, like flying around the area, for maybe at least a week, and so we just found her where we have, just in the corner there. So when we found her, we haven't seen any signs of damage so far, so there could be a chance that she was poisoned, which would be terrible. I wouldn't even be able to put it into the words because that'd just be such a horrific thing to do, because there's nothing that they've ever done against humanity. So yeah, you can see like her talons look like they've been in pain, so